I didn't have any more success than I have just posting content. Well, you said that you have some clients getting a lot of views and going viral. And before you started working with him, how many subscribers did he have?
Only 2,000.
Hello, ma'am. How are you?
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
So
I'm
cute,
good.
ma'am.
Can you hear us clearly?
Yes. Yeah, let me just put on my headphones because I have a lot of noise here. One moment.
Okay. Do it slowly, no problem.
Got it.
Okay. Everything okay? Fine?
Yes, I can hear you perfectly. Can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear
Yes.
you perfectly.
Perfect. Okay, well, I apologize for that little wait. I was caught up in another call, but we're free now to chat. I see two people in the call. So we have Charmin and Eman.
Yes, actually, I'm Iman
Okay.
and Sharmin is my
Iman.
friend. We are working together in a team, in an agency.
Okay, so you guys are an agency. Perfect. Can you
Yes.
tell me a little bit about your agency?
Okay. At first, can I share my screen if you allow? I want to show you the agency channel and everything.
Okay, perfect.
Okay. Actually, the agency name is Outsourcing BD Institute. Okay. We provide the digital marketing related all services like YouTube, SEO, website SEO, advertising, video editing, graphics design, logo design, everything. Okay.
Wow, it's a lot of people, right?
Yes, it's
100 clients or 300 people working for the same agency?
yes, same agency, student. And we have a lots of client. Okay, just 1 second. Can you see my screen clearly? Can you see it? Hello. I cannot hear you. No. I can't hear you. আপনি কি ওনারা শুনতে পারতেছেন আপু?
জি আমি শুনতে পাচ্ছি।
আমি তো শুনতে পাই না ওনারে। মানে ওনারে শুনতে পাইতেছেন?
না ওনাকে শুনতে পাচ্ছি না।
Please, ma'am, we cannot hear you.
Now I can hear
Yes,
you.
yes,
Can you
yes.
hear me?
Yes.
Maybe net problem ওনার বুঝছেন?
Yes. In your location, there is a network problem. Maybe. In your
Hello?
yes. There is a buffering. I mean, in your location, there is a network problem.
Yeah, there is. I have some Wi-Fi issues today, but let's
Oh,
hope that we can finish the call with no problem. So you can continue.
okay. Actually, please have a look. If I scroll down here, lots of live. It's my own YouTube channel. Okay, Freelancing BD Institute. Okay, here a lots of live client project. The YouTube client live project. The USA client project. If I scroll down here, TikTok promotional project. The UK client project. UK client, another project. If I scroll down here, lots of Germany client. Okay, here are lots of client. We have complete lots of clients project. Okay, we promote their website, promote their YouTube channel, promote their website, SEO their website. Okay, editing their videos. I have lots of client, and if I click here and click the Swiss account, please have a look. I have 11 clients right now. I'm working on those channel. I'm a manager on all those channel. Okay, I think you understand that.
I can't. Okay, so these are the clients that you've worked with?
Yes. YouTube. That's all are the YouTube promotional SEO and promotional client.
Okay.
So my friend told me you are a teacher, English teacher, right?
I am, yes.
And you have a YouTube channel and website and paid courses. I mean English course, right? Okay, no problem. We'll help you to. Okay, just 1 minute. I ask you a question. What method do you use right now for selling your course?
I promote them on social media, so on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. I do it myself.
Okay. Do you run any paid ads? I mean, advertising, Facebook ads or Google ads campaign?
I've done it in the past, but for now I don't.
If you have any result, I mean, good result for the ads.
Yeah. Well, with ads, I didn't have any more success than I have just posting content.
Oh, yes. Okay, understand. So no problem. If you want, we will help you to sell your course. Do you have any video editor?
Do I have any?
Video editor?
I do, yes.
Okay. Okay, no problem. So what kind of services do you need for now?
Well, I'm interested more in SEO.
Oh,
In SEO for the page.
yes. SEO is very, very important.
একটু এসইও করা নাই, উনি একেবারে জিরো এসইও
Zero. Oh, your videos SEO score is very, very low. And you did not edit your ranked tag, high volume ranked tag, ranked keyword in your keyword box, and you did not optimize your title and the description. Okay. Okay, ma'am. I told you, according to Google data, nowadays more than 122 million people come to the YouTube platform every day. So it's a very, very viral platform right now. So if we done the SEO work, we will go viral very soon, and we will get a lots of audience, lots of targeted clients. I mean, your targeted clients. I mean, selling your course. It's very, very helpful to you. Okay.
জিরো জিরো এসইও স্কোর জিরো
Your SEO score is 0. You did not added any keyword on your tag box. I mean, keyword box.
Sure. Well, you said that you have some clients getting a lot of views and going viral.
Yes.
How many? What examples of clients have you had that actually had a lot of success on YouTube?
Yes, a lots of clients. If you can I show you my Fiverr account?
Okay.
Okay, just give me a sec.
And create real wealth YouTube channel here. And today I want to share my incredible experience with Iman Khan, the YouTube SEO superstar I've been working with for the past several months. If you're a content creator like me, you won't want to miss this review. First of all, let me tell you, Iman is an absolute genius when it comes to optimizing your YouTube SEO rankings. I stumbled upon him a few months ago, and I've never looked back since. Before I started using Iman's services, my channel was growing slowly. I wasn't getting the views and
It's a client
engagement.
review, okay? Fiverr client, let me show you. Okay, that's my Fiverr account. Okay. And if I scroll down here, lots of client review.
Okay, but what are the numbers? So this guy's saying it's amazing growth, but what were his numbers before and after?
Okay, before and after. Look at this, please. Before 24, the SEO score, and after 93.
Can you
Yes.
give me some names of YouTube clients?
YouTube clients channel, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Have you ever
He is my client, okay? I send it on the Zoom chat box, right? Please have a look.
So this is the guy that was in the video, right?
Yes.
Okay. And before you started working with him, how many subscribers did he have?
Only 2,000.
Okay. Yes, I
send
saw.
you
So
another
how-
link.
Another one.
He's a coach, okay? He's a coach. The second channel. He's a
Okay.
coaching related business. We
Sure.
I'm promote the business channel and the website.
Okay. And for SEO services, how do they work and how much do these services cost?
Actually, here are two type of package. Okay, one is a weekly and one is monthly. Okay, the weekly package will optimize your 10 videos. Okay, SEO, off-page SEO, on-page SEO, and also social media promotion. The cost is $100. Okay, and the monthly package, we will complete your 35 videos, and the cost is $300.
For the SEO, for the
SEO,
week.
off-page SEO, on-page SEO, and social media promotion.
Okay. Well, what if I don't need the social media promotion, just SEO?
Again, please.
If I don't need social media promotion, just
Okay,
SEO.
okay. Just SEO, no problem. We will complete, and I suggest you at first you hire us weekly, okay, and see the work result, see the work process. After finishing the work, see the work is good and the result is coming, then we will work together long time.
Okay. So
Okay.
weekly $100?
Yes, for 10 video, $120.
Okay.
Okay, no problem. Just give me 1 second. $100 কথা কয়ে দিই, হ্যাঁ?
বাহ।
Okay, ma'am, just for you because you are our new client and my friend told me you are a great person. So we reduce $20. The weekly cost is $100.
For 10 videos.
Yes, for
So
10
if
videos.
I only post 4 videos a month, once a week.
Okay. 4 video,
So you
right?
optimize old videos, I
Yes,
see.
all videos, all
Oh, I
videos.
see.
We
Okay.
will optimize your old videos and your upcoming videos, no problem. Okay.
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 Well, thank you for the offer. I'm going to think about it. I'm in contact with a few other agencies as well, so I'm going to choose the best option for me.
Okay, no problem.
Perfect. Okay. Perfect.
Okay,
All
now
right.
I will
Thank
stop
you
the
for your
recording.
time. Thank you for the email, and we'll be in contact.
Okay, thank you so much. Thanks for your
You take
valuable
care.
time. Have a good day. Bye.